How to check if computer supports Wi-Fi 6 connection. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open control panel. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure your view by is large icon. Then click on network and sharing centers. On left side, you'll find change adapter settings. Click on change adapter settings and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your main Wi-Fi 2 option. Right click on it, then go to properties. In properties, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on configure in here. After you have clicked on configure, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on advanced. And if there is Wi-Fi 6 connection, if your computer supports it, there will be 802.11 option in property. Also in value, you will find 802.11ax or AC. Simply select that if you have and then press on OK and you're good to go. This is how to check if computer supports Wi-Fi 6 connection. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.